Hey guys, my name's Olly and welcome back to our Gaming with Friends. Today we have the Spark So 5 or Ollie with us again, and we're back here and we're playing Space Race. No you're not. No you're not. Get rid of these. We'll put toilets in the final ship. Give me a second. Okay, welcome back to Project Space Race. This is our plan is to build a spaceship which will go to the moon. Or to the sky and hit, or to hit the sky and then we're gonna.
Or burn trying.
Yes. Or burn trying. Is our motto today.
Burn trying, and that thing's very spiky.
1 second.
Hello. I am dead.
Wait.
Inside.
Okay, now we may look like we're trapped in here, but we're not. I can easily fix the situation. Oh, actually, keep that there. Keep that there.
Let me out. Let me out.
No, keep it there.
Because I'm going to put one on the outside, so we can get out, in and out.
From this door, then yeah. This door's no. You can get in through this way. You can get out through this way. Just let me connect it all up. That goes to there. Actually, wait a second. It's all the tedious things. I can't.
I'm trying to block a hole.
Okay, let's say it goes to 135.
Get this, block that hole up, shall we?
Oh, wrong way.
Then you see nothing.
Ah, what I do? Oh, my game had a bit of a thought.
Then you don't see anything.
Ollie, if I find that you've screwed up with the spaceship, then I will hit you. Because this space race will not fail because of you.
You don't know where I live.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. You know nothing.
See, dude, this is cool.
Daddy, don't see anything on the wall.
Stop it.
There's a hole there.
Breach! Stop that!
Breach! Ah!
Go find a radio and put it on.
I'll go find a radio then.
Hooray!
I escaped! Now you know not all those crosses are connected.
None of them are connected.
They are. I've got that on blind.
Dun 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 dun. That's how we're gonna get in and out. Okay, now
Then I've got to put on the side.
one moment. This music sounds very TF2-y, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's very TF toy.
That's not even a word, I think.
I know, look on the side. Hey!
It sounds terrible, keep one. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do.
Oh no. Wait, what?
No, move the radio, don't put it on the door. We're putting the toilet on the door.
Oh yeah, we're a toilet on the door.
No, that was a joke.
Insane!
I'm the one insane. Oh god, I'm going to share the spaceship with you. Oh.
Why do you have a hammer? Where did you get a hammer from?
I need to go on a lift. Give me a second.
How do you open the front door? How do you open the front door?
Go through the back one for now, because the front door's being a bit temperamental. It doesn't work because my thing's in the way. Oh,
oh, so screw you then, you stupid.
there you go. It's because the elevator was in the way.
We are wizards. So then, what do we need to do? What do I need to do?
What do you need to do? Paint the thing. Paint it white.
Okay.
Oh, I keep falling off this freaking thing. Give me a second.
Dan, you're not very good at parkour, are you?
Excuse me, I'm ready. Shut up, Ollie. No,
Why do I always want to get yelled at?
because reasons. Okay, so
That's not a good reason. Wait. No, do that in a minute. Your stupid idea.
oh, don't fall off, don't fall off.
Fall off. I'm very mean.
Okay.
I'm slightly insane. Please don't just do the horn.
Why are the doors black?
Because reasons.
That's not a good reason. Paint them white.
No, make it black. Then open the door.
I've got to get inside first.
Get inside.
Give me a second.
You get your orange trousers in there. That sounds really weird.
I can't get in. Give me a second.
Dan, go lose some weight.
How dare you?
I'm dead tomorrow, aren't I?
What? Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
I haven't decided yet. It's a terrible idea. Damn it. Oh, I know. Ah!
Wow! Dan, that one's fell on my head.
Yeah, about that. How many get rid? No, dude, I don't want these. These are worthless. Get rid. Don't stop hating them. How many get rid of them?
I'm trying to get rid of them. Oh no! Ow!
Sorry.
Are you trying to kill me?
Maybe. Fill in those blocks.
Why? Oh, whoops. Dan, breach! Dan, breach!
I don't know, but let's get. Are they too low? Do they need to be higher? On
Dan, breach!
Where?
Breach!
Where? Oh, God's sake.
There! Dan, what's your colour?
Okay. What? My color? My color's. What is my color? Give me a second. Let me get the paint gun out. What? Is my color red? I'm usually the red one, aren't I? Give me a second. Let me check.
No, what, no, like,
See-
what colour do you, yeah, like, I not my colours.
I'm going purple.
One,
Purple.
right.
Yeah. Okay. So.
So purple, did you say?
Yeah, I already coloured the seat. Okay. Ollie, I'm gonna place windshields in front of you.
There we go. Wait, where's my seat? Where's my head in it? That a couple of the blocks aren't painted. I'll go paint them. Around this somewhere. Oh, there they are.
Oh, why are you playing the floor purple? At least do it the other ways. At least do it the other way, so it's like matching the seat orientation. So like, do it like this.
Dan, it works.
No, it does, but I'm saying paint it like. First of all, mine's a darker purple, and then yours is.
Wait, what? Dan, look. Dan, look at the outside.
1 second. What? What? What?
Why is there purple line? Why is there a random purple line?
I have no idea. Let me paint it. I'll fix it.
Wait, shall I see if that does anything inside?
I changed it so it's like that. So like it matches the seats.
Okay, how far are we until we can go up in the air?
How you mean how long? I need to do the windshields at the top, so give me a few minutes.
A few minutes? A few minutes? I can't read! That's very random.
Oh, shh. Try and get.
You're not allowed in here. Then you're not allowed in here.
It's nice to know.
What? Now you have to come in through doors.
One moment. Ah, shit, Aki.
Then what are those shoes?
What shoes?
You guys wear very odd shoes.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Daniel.
Is that you talking to a dog?
No, that's me trying to persuade myself not to be a complete klutz.
You are a klutz anyway. I'm dead. I'm dead, aren't I?
No, you're not dead, honestly. You can't die in this game. Until I kill you.
Yes!
Ah!
Okay.
Oh, shit. Move! Dude, I still think these doors should be white. Paint the doors white. Because they look weird being black.
No, you don't know what I'm sitting on. There we go.
Good thing you put that there. We are going to need one.
I use the toilet.
No, dude, our space seats. Our space seats come equipped with toilets. What colours do you want the windows to be?
Whatever colour.
Okay,
Make
so...
Make a purple green or whatever I care.
Green? Okay, yeah, sure. Let's make it like a turquoise.
Wait.
Okay.
Yay! Dan,
The door's
Dan,
white.
Are you looking at the front? Are you looking at the
Almost.
front, Dan?
That's just you. It's just you in a toilet. Hey, dude, open the back door. Actually, no, never mind.
Dan, do I need to paint the door entirely white?
Yes.
Well, don't look at the door now. Don't look at the door down here.
1 second. Just gotta paint these. Okay, wait. Nice, there's 2. Wait, is that claw?
I'm a toilet.
No, let me in! Oh, okay.
Hey!
Hi. Dude, move the toilet. Okay. There you go, cause, Hey, dude, look at this!
Okay, what else do we need to do?
I don't know,
What
but...
else do we need to do?
Oh, I need to connect the Fosters. Yeah, you get out of here, man.
Oh yeah, that. What? Okay, what they connecting to?
My seat.
Oh, so should I just help with that?
Yep. You'll be in control of, Just,
Absolutely nothing.
yeah, you will be.
Just I can't be responsible for anything.
Yes, that's pretty much why. I was trying to make it sound nicer than it is, but no, you can't be trusted with anything.
Get it? I think this is something useful.
Wait, there's one. Wait, let me tell you. Wait, let me put this on a lift. Careful. And I'll tell you.
What?
I'll tell you which Fosters need to. I'll put you on a lift. Don't panic. I'm putting you on a lift.
Don't panic.
Oh yeah. Oh, you didn't close the back door, did you? Oh, Ollie, place down a lift in front of here. Ollie, come over here. Place a back lift. Place a lift right there. Nice. Okay. Place a lift close. Okay. Ollie, no. Bring me down. Bring me down. Bring me down. Down. Oh, dude! Whoa, dude! We've gone past the 17-minute mark. We should probably stop and...
Oh, poop.
Okay, so...
Yeah, we do.
We're almost ready. Project Space Race is almost done.
Yeah, we're doing quite well.
With no idea what we're going to call the ship. Okay, so, thank you for watching. My name is Daniel Ryan, and this has been Sparks05. Say goodbye, Ollie.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Oh, wait. Oh, Ollie. Stop doing that. Okay.
Do it.
Are you ready to stop?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, and click. There aren't any Martians on the moon, you dumbass.
I know.
You actually are stupid. You just realize this, like, massively. Whoa. Don't forget to... Yes, you did. You said let's go to the moon. Okay.